Okay then. Okay, so for today, as we continue about the practice, I think the last two meetings we discussed more something specific related to the theory or the method to solve some operation. Yeah. So for this meeting, I will to show you again the question from any competition. Okay, just to boost again your creativity to solve this. Okay, I take this from the MO paper. Okay, uh, it seems already joined it before, and still I take it from the same website from the edugain.com. So we can also access this. Okay, here's the first question. It doesn't feel hard, I think, for the first question. Okay, you ready to solve this? Oh, you already. This is the first question. If any information that uh, you don't understand or confused, maybe, yeah, just ask me, okay? Okay. Sorry, Pak. Did you undo it? I want to capture your method. Thank you so much. Okay, so you already subtract 123 with 84.25 ya. Nah, okay. And then you get the result 108 point. Okay, good. Okay, continue your working. Is that your answer? Uh, I think that's not finished yet. Okay, but again the text. So he paid 193 for all the three items. For all the three items. Three items. Nah, for all three. Okay. And then 84.25, yeah, respectively. So 84.25, that's the cost for the screw. Okay. So you already minus it with the price of the screw. Okay, this is screw only, and this is all. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So the answer is 31.65. Okay, don't erase it first. I see a lot of improvement here. Uh, I still remember the last, I think on the last two meetings or on the last three meetings, yeah. Um, it seems the addition and subtraction for decimal. Sometimes uh, you show the little mistake, but for now, yeah, you already accurate to solve this. Oh, uh, good then. Okay, easy right about this?
Yes.
Okay, so don't worry again every time you see the decimal for any equation of decimal, whether is it subtraction, multiplication, and so on. So although so if the number is very big, just so every time you feel difficult, just go to the column method like this, and then do it from the right, one by one, slowly and carefully. You will get the answer. Okay, wow, perfect. Okay, next question. This one. This is very easy. Oh, oh, did you end it? Sorry, what? Did you end it? Yeah, yeah. Let me see over again. Five, okay, six. Yep. Okay, perfect. Okay. It seems there is no problem anymore for column addition. Good. Very clear, I think. Now, next. Now, but geometry. I think geometry also not a problem for you. But we have a specific terms, I think, here. Vertex. I hope you still remember about vertex. Cool. You asking for cuboid? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Before you answer this, uh, yeah, I, uh, I know what you mean. So you want to draw the cuboid, right? So let me show the picture. Cuboid. Okay. Nah, cuboid. Okay, this is cuboid. That we say cube versus cuboid. Okay. Nah, this is cube and this is cuboid. Um, Let me copy this first. Okay. One second. Nah, so before you answer this, I want to give you the challenge. Do you know the trick to draw cuboid? Okay. Uh, Follow me, okay? So I will write on the left screen. You continue. You repeat my working on the right screen. Okay. So start with the cuboid. Okay. Uh, I want to draw it with the simple square. Okay. Just draw simple square. Okay. Okay. Please repeat my working on right. Try to draw simple square. In a cuboid, its its vertex is formed by the meeting of. Yeah. Anyway, do you know what is vertex? Uh, could you show me where's the vertex from these two pictures? Yeah, good. So vertex is the corner. Okay, this is the corner. And then how about face? Could you show me where is the face? Okay, good. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So that's face, you're correct. Yeah, this is face. Okay. Now, nothing. Let's say you want to make one vertex, and that vertex is this point. Okay, the point that I give the orange color. Now you imagine that how many face you need to make this vertex. How many faces you okay? That's the question actually. Yeah, three faces. Okay. So the question like this, we don't need to remember all of the properties. Uh, just try to imagine the shape, or maybe just drawing the shapes, and then by that drawing, we we see we see the picture, and then we analyze all of the properties, and then just by looking into that, you can answer this. Is it right? Okay. But okay, as easy as that. Yeah, as easy as that. Okay. Uh, most of the most of the student actually thinks that this is the remembering something that only can be answered if you remember the but for me we don't need to remember this at all. uh, just understand what is cube, uh, or what is the picture of cube and cuboid, and then try to know the name of everything, and then calculate. Okay, talking about the drawing again. uh, I want to teach you how to draw cube or cuboid. Simple. Okay, this is the first step. I want to draw cube here. So draw the simple square. Okay, could you repeat? Try to draw a simple square on the right. Yeah. Okay, good. It seems uh, you do a little cheating thing to draw just by the edge. Don't, yeah, just draw the square by the edge. Okay, okay, don't use the. Okay, good. Could you make it better? It seems more to rectangle. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's the first step. Okay. Now the second step is uh, I want to draw the bended line. How to say it? Not bended line. No. Uh, the small diagonal line. Let's say here. Let's say from this point. Okay, and then I duplicate this line with this. I replicate this line to any other corner in this square with the same length at and the same direction. So that that but this is behind. Nah, that. Okay, could you repeat? Same line, same line and direction. Okay, but this is with dot, yeah, because this is behind. Okay, be careful. Don't forget to write the line here. Okay, could you change it to the dash maybe? Change it to the dash because that line is behind the object. Uh, Draw the dash like this. Oh, okay then. Creative. Now, the last step, we only need to connect every one of this line. That that this is uh here is using the dash again because this is behind, and this is also this. Tada! We already draw the perfect cube. That. Nah, is it right? Okay, could you repeat one more just to make sure you already know the way? Okay, you know the keyboard. Uh, be careful, Dara, be careful. Uh, to make to make the good cuboid or cube, remember that the yellow line should be in the same direction. Try to make it yeah, good. And also same length, yeah. This is smaller than this, right? Try to make it as equal as possible. Okay, good. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Let me show you. Dot, 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 dot. Nah, oh, this must be straight. So, so this is parallel to this. Okay. Ah, this also parallel baka. This line that's parallel. Make it parallel. This is also parallel. Again, they are in the same direction. Okay. That 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 that. Okay. Nah, can you see it? Uh, why we should able to draw the 3D shape like this? Uh, Simply for the reason is to calculating because many questions that related to 3D shapes, it's easier for us to imagine the problem by drawing it, right? Nah, so that we need to know how to do it faster and simpler. Okay, so practicing to draw this is very worthy for you. Yeah, that's also how to draw the cylinder. Okay, it seems you want to draw the prism, right? Okay, show me how do you draw that. Mm-hmm. Uh, is that the prism?
Yes.
Don't forget to draw the line behind. Ah, perfect prism. See, the challenge is to draw a cone and or the yeah. Can you can you draw a pyramid or cone? That's challenging. Try to draw a pyramid. Yeah, this is cylinder. This is cylinder, right? Try to draw pyramid or cone. Is that pyramid? Oh, sorry. That's not that's not pyramid. Uh, Remember, pyramid only has one vertex above of it. Okay, good. That's for the cone. Yeah, that's good. Now, uh, now let's redraw the pyramid. Yeah, let's say pyramid like uh like the pyramid in Egypt, for example. So the pyramid in Egypt is called square base pyramid. Pyramid with square base. So you need to draw the base first. Done, done. Da, 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 da. Now, the base is although this is square, but it looks like trapezoid. Right? Sorry, it looks like parallelogram, right? Because we want to draw the 3D picture on the 2D plane. So just put a single point up there. That, 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 done. That's how to draw pyramid. better to draw this line horizontal. Horizontal. Now this is parallel, and then this is also parallel. So the base looks like parallelogram. I think I think the tip should be directly above of it, I think. I guess, I guess it looks easy at first, but when we try to rewind it, that's difficult, right? Okay. It still doesn't see like sure. Yeah, but that's fine. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, that's look better. Uh, I think I think the problem is uh the first thing you should write. Follow me. Bara. Okay. Oh, this is triangular pyramid, yeah. 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 Yeah, triangular pyramid or triangle base pyramid. Okay, any question?
Hmm?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now that's about geometry. Now let's see again about fraction. Um, many many elementary grade students doesn't like fractions. Although for me, that's not really hard. Maybe for you too. Then nine. Okay. Don't forget to simplify every time you see a fraction. Also, try to apply multiplication. Yeah. This is rectangle. The length is 7, and this is 3. So just times 3 times 7. Okay. Get to simplify it. Mhm. Yeah, that's correct. 9 out of 21, but that's not the simplified form. Okay, simplify the fraction. Yeah, 9 out of 21 is correct, but you need to simplify, to simply to simplify. Okay, you remember how to simplify it. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. Okay. So both of the numbers can be divided by 3. So this fraction, 9 out of 21, also same with 3 out of 7. Yeah, they are equivalent fraction. But 3 out of 7 is the simplest form. Yeah, this is the simplest form. Okay, is it right? Yeah, SSS there. Okay, Uh, you want the harder one? No, I, I provide you for the next question. Okay, this topic is about crypt, uh, crypt arithmetic ya. Crypt arithmetics. I think every math competition question like this has always appeared. Are you sure this is true?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, really? Um, this is 7, right? Wait, so let me check. So 5 times 7 is 56. So you write 6 here, and then you say 5 above it. Okay, that's correct. And then 7 times 5, 45. Okay, you plus it by 5, right? 40. I think this is not true then. Nah, okay, one more step. Hmm, 9 eh? Wait, so 9 times 7 is, yeah, that's 9. Okay, right. Yeah, okay, hold on. I want to capture this. Mm-hmm. Eh, be careful. The number should be between 14 and 25. Yeah. The answer is 24 because 25 is cannot divide by 2 because this is odd number. Okay. Yeah, right. The answer is 24. Yes, this is the next question. Okay, you answer 105. 105. Yeah, 105. Okay, you get the pattern? Okay. Uh-huh. Start with, yeah, yeah, because the question is the odd number between okay, which can be, yeah, 100, 107. Okay, good then. And the question, is there another number beside 105 between 72 and 109 that still can be divided by 3 and 7? How do you think? Find it. You can find it. Okay, I think I should give you this is the formula, yeah, or the trick. So when you see, I think for the example, better use the previous question. Divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, we have two number, right? 2, 2, and 3. So better you times it. Okay, so this is 6, right? So divisible by 2 and 3 means it must be divisible or multiple of 6. Ah, so now you can find what numbers. So a number that is divisible by 2 and 3 basically is divisible by 6, like 6, 12, 18, 24. Now this is the answer, 30, and so on. Okay, so that again, there is a question divided by 3 and 7, right? So you times it. Okay, so this is 21. So So the number is actually must be, okay, must be divisible or multiple of 26. Okay, so uh, besides 108, you can find another number. So by 108 minus by 21. Did you have me? What is 105 minus by 21? 105 minus 21. Are you writing something maybe? Hmm?
104.
No. 104 cannot be divided by 3. Oh yeah, uh, remember Bara, you know that 105 is divisible by 3, right? This is divisible by 3. So another number nearest to it that divisible by 3 is the multiple of 3, 108, 111, and so on, or 102, 99, and blah blah blah. Now this is divisible by 3. How about divisible by 7? Divisible by 7 near 105, 112, 119, and so on. Or if you go backwards, this is 98, 92, and blah blah blah. Now how about 21? Okay. Now about multiple of 21. Did you continue that? I go up. I go forward there. So this is 126, and then 147, blah blah blah. Okay. If you go backwards, would you help me to calculate 105 minus 21? Mhm. Yeah, 84. Okay. So because this question only asks you about find the odd number between 72 and 109, you can answer 105, but you can also answer 84. That's still correct because the answer is not the biggest. Okay. Nah, so 105, 84 is can be divided by 3 by both 3 and 7. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. So the answer is on the one. Good, the good analysis. Okay, so every time you see divisible a number, every time you want to find a number that divisible by two other numbers, so better you times it. Okay, and then the product of the multiplication, that's basically so the number should be the multiplication, the multiple of that product. Okay, 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 is it right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. One more question. This is very similar to the. Oh no no no. Yeah, this is the last for today. I will show you the mathematics. Not the mathematics, the statistics. Okay, tada. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is about statistic. Mostly about statistic is about taking the data, organizing the data, arrange the data, uh, and then analyzing the data. Now that's about the statistic. And one method to grouping the data or to organize the data is by using the telemark. Yeah, this is called telemark and table. Is it right? Yeah. So every time you see the question of statistic, uh, no need to worry. Yeah, of course you can solve it. Okay, so let's review. Okay, this is about statistic, telemarks and table. Uh, the the last question is about divisibility. Okay, what's the dot? The short term. Oh no. So, wait. Oh, okay. Nah, this is divisibility. Don't forget to times it. And then about cryptography terms, yeah, you only need to be accurate, yeah. Okay, just follow the procedure and then uh, be accurate, and then yep, you will get the answer. Okay, I think the problem before just the small mistake in the multiplication. Okay, uh, about fraction, you need every time the answer is fraction, you need to simplify it. Okay, should be in the simplest form. Yeah, for every final answer in fraction. Okay, so please double check. Uh, can you divide it maybe to the smaller number? If you can. Again, for the 3D shape, you should to know all the type of 3D shapes. You need uh, to draw the 3D shapes faster and simple, and then just analyze that. Yeah, no need to remember. Yeah, and then column addition, um, and then about the first question. I think, but overall, it seems uh, still very good. You see some improvement today. Okay, so before we close this Zoom, any question?
No.
Yeah, keep keep reading, keep practicing, keep asking, and browse any knowledgeful things. Yeah, okay, to your gadget or to your book. Okay then. So happy to for this learning, Bra. So thank you so much, and see you next week. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay then. Thank you, bye bye. Yeah, see you.